Welcome to our educational channel from quantitative aptitude. Let us see one interesting topic. This chapter, races and games of skill. So this is a new content. We can apply some questions will come in based on the races and games also. So let me clear this chapter. Okay, few examples I'll explain. First of all, the basic things. If you see, just I typed few information here. A contest of speed of running, riding, driving, sailing or rowing is called the race. So such type of things, anything they can ask in the examination point of view questions. Questions also I'll show you how it is. Okay, and the race course. The race course is nothing but the ground of the path on which contests are made is called the race course. And the beginning point, the point from the race begins is known as the starting point. And we know that the race is called the winning or goal. The point set to bound a race is called the winning post or a goal. And just a normal example you observe once. There is one track, it's a 200 meters. Okay, let us take one track is 200 meters. Now, okay, suppose A and B are two contestants. Okay, and if before the start the race, A is at the starting point, A is at starting point, and B is ahead of A by 15 meters. B is ahead. That means 15 meters back. In case if it is a generally you can see some circular or oval shaped tracks, no? So based on that, so 15 meters B is ahead of this B is ahead of A by 15 meters. Then A is set to give B a start of 15 meters. So A is 15 meters before only starting. Even both will start at the same time, but A need to cover 200 meters. This is supposed to cover by A, but 200 minus 15 because he is 15 meters ahead. 200 minus 15 is 185 meters should be covered by the B to the winning post or the goal. Okay, this is one small example. And in a 100 meters race, A can give B 15 meters or A can give B a start of 15 meters or A begin B by 15. These all we can some words we can use. Right, that B should run means if it is 100 meters race, A can be 100, B should be 100 minus 15, so only 85 meters. So these are simple basic things. And one more is a dead heat race, the word we can use in the problems. So dead heat race, the meaning is this: if all the persons, so in the race were the contestants, all if you reach the same time to the winning post or the goal, now that contest is can call as a dead heat race. Okay, these are the terms we can use in this example problems. So I will show the questions now, they're interesting. Okay, now a game of 100 means that the person among the contestants who score 100 points first is the winner. So a game of 100 means 100 points who can cover, so is the winner. If A scores 100 points while B scores only 80 points, for example, and B scores only 80 points, then we can say A can give B 20 points. The meaning is A can give B 20 points. So the meaning of this sentence, A can give B 20 points, means A is getting 100 points and B is getting only 80 points to the race, right? And these are the simple definitions. Actually, I'll show the problems now, how the questions will come in examination point of view and what the concept we can apply to solve this. We'll see one by one. Now we'll see one by one question, how the questions are interesting and how to solve also. First problem here, A and B run a kilometer. So 1 kilometer. A and B run a kilometer and A wins by 1 minute. So he won the race but with 1 minute difference. And A and C run a kilometer and A wins by 375 meters. Compared to A and B, A wins by 1 minute, and compared to A and C, they gave in distance. Okay, A and C run a kilometer and A wins by 375 meters. And B and C run a kilometer and B wins by 30 seconds. Find the time taken by each to run a kilometer. So the distance between distance of the race is exactly 1 kilometer. So that is 1000 meters, right? Because some they'll give in meters also. So distance from the race is this is the winning point, is the starting 1000 meters. Now let us see the statement one by one. The first one is A and B run a kilometer and A wins by 1 minute. Since, take the topic, since A beats B by 60 seconds, because 1 minute, right? So by 60 seconds, because A wins by 1 minute. So A beats B by 60 seconds. And similarly, B beats C. This is given. B and C, the third line. One more sentence. B and C run a kilometer, but B wins by 30 seconds. So B beats C by 30 seconds, right? Now by observing this both sentence, A beats B by 60 and B beats by C is 30. Now according to this, A beats C. From these two statements, A beats C by is 60 plus 30. So total 90 seconds. Right? So compare same race, A, B, C has started at the same time. So A beats C by 90 seconds. We need to find the time taken by each to run the same kilometer. So A how much time it took to run, B how much time, and C how much time they have taken to run this race. We need to find out actually. So according to the sentences, A beats B by 60. This is the given. B also beats C by 30. Then according to these two, A beats C by 90 seconds. Right? But it begins the A beats C by 375 meters. One more sentence. A and C run a kilometer, but A wins by 375 meters. So that means C covers 375 meters. Because A already win. A wins by 375 meters. That means C behind 375 meters. So C covers 375 meters in 90 seconds. Like you can understand this clearly, because A wins by 375 meters compared to the B. So A is forward 375 meters, and to cover the remaining 375 meters, C must take 90 seconds. Okay, because A beats C by 90 seconds, same A wins C by 375 meters. So to cover the 375 meters, C took 90 seconds. For 375 meters, if you take 90 seconds, for 1000 meters, how much? Okay, time taken by C. We can find out its Z now. So time taken by C, okay, to cover 1 kilometer, because the total race is 1 kilometer, that is 1000 meters. So 90 seconds for 375 meters, 90 seconds for 1000 meters, how much? So direct variation type, you can write this: 375 meters 90 seconds for 1000 meters dash. So because of inverse direct variation, cross multiplication. So x into 375 is equal to 1000 into 90. So 90 by 375 into 1000. Cross multiplication from this. So you can see this cross multiplication means, so direct variation. This distance is increased, time also must be increased. So 375 into x is equal to 90 into 1000. From this, x is equal to 90 into 1000 by same 375. This you can calculate 240 seconds, right? So time taken by C to cover the 1 kilometer is 240 seconds. So we got clearly. Then we can find out time taken by A and B, simple. Yes, so time taken by A to cover 1 kilometer is 90 seconds less, because A beats C by 90 seconds. So he's taking 240 seconds, means A must be take 240 minus 90. So according to this, then time taken by A, same, to cover 1 kilometer is C is 240 seconds. From this 90 seconds you should subtract, because A winning by compared to the C 90 seconds. So 150 seconds it is. And similarly, same time taken by the B to cover same 1 kilometer. Here also same 240, but compared to the B and C 30 seconds less. So minus 30. So 210 seconds. Okay, this is the score amount time between the A, B, C. A covered within 150 seconds, B covered 210 seconds, C covered 240 seconds, the same distance 1 kilometer. right? These are the type of questions. We'll see a few more problems. Now in this problem, A can run a kilometer in 4 minutes 50 seconds. Okay, same 1 kilometer. So A can take 1 kilometer is it's 1000 meters, right? This is the race. From starting to ending is 1000 kilometers. Now account the problem. A can run a kilometer in 4 minutes 50 seconds and B in 5 minutes. B can run in 5 minutes. So A is fast compared to the B. In how many meters start A give B in kilometer race so that the race may end in dead heat. Okay, the distance time will be different so that the race may end in dead heat. So according this, the winning part is the same for them. So let us see here one by one, step by step I'll explain. First let us take the time. Time taken by A. Time taken by A to run same 1 kilometer. Okay, distance is 1 kilometer. 4 minutes 50 seconds. 4 minutes is 4 into 60 plus 50 number of seconds. So total 290 seconds. Right? A can take the time to run 1 kilometer is 290 seconds. And time taken by B. Same problem. Time taken by B to run same 1 kilometer. To run 1 kilometer is taking 5 minutes, right? 5 minutes is 300 seconds. 5 minutes means 5 into 60. So 300 seconds. So 10 seconds is the difference. So A can give B a start of 300 minus 290. So 10 seconds. So A can give B. We can write the statement because A can give B in 10 seconds. So difference the time is 10 seconds because A is taking 290 seconds, B is 300 seconds. So A is a winner, but A can give B in 10 seconds. Now in 300 seconds, B runs 1000 meters. So now to find out, total 300 meters. So A how much meters difference that you have to find out to cover that. And if you make the sentence now, you observe this. In 300 seconds, B runs 1000 meters, right? 1000 meters B is running. Now in 10 seconds, because how much back is we have to find out. In 10 seconds, that is same 10 into 1000 by 300. This is how many meters, the difference. And 10 into 1000 by 300, 33 1 by 3 meters. So you can cancel this. 2 is 100 by 3. That is 33 1 by 3 meters. So A can give B a start of 33 1 by 3 meters. So A can win with the gap of 33 1 by 3 meters compared to the B. Okay, this is the problem. Just if you can guess the timing accurately, according to that we can solve. We'll see few more problems to get more clear idea on this race and games of skills. So in this problem, in a 100 meters race, so race is 100 meters. Okay, 100 meters A and B need to cover, right? Now see the problem. A runs with 6 kilometers per hour speed. So A speed is 6 kilometers per hour. But if A gives B a start of 4 meters and still beats him by 12 seconds, what is the speed of the B? So B how much distance he covered and how much time he had taken, we need to find out the speed. Speed is equal to distance by time, right? Speed is equals to same distance by time. So according to this, A runs 6 kilometers per hour. So let us find out first time taken by the A to cover 100 meters. And time is equals to speed is equal to distance by time. Time is equal to distance by speed. Then time taken by A to cover 100 meters. To cover 100 meters, how much time he has taken, we need to find out. And when you observe this, A is 6 kilometers per hour. So 1 hour, 6 kilometers. So in 1 second, how many meters? So 6 kilometers is 6,000 meters. So time is nothing but distance by speed. So when you come to here, first let us convert this 6 kilometers per hour to convert into meter per second. 6,000 by 6 kilometers is 6,000 meters by 1 hour. 1 hour is 60 into 60. 1 hour is 60 minutes. Each minute is again 60 seconds. So 60 into 60. 6,000 by 60 into 60. You can calculate this. 2 zeros cancel. 60 by 6. 6 into 6. 6 ones are 6, 10. So 10 by 6. 5 by 3. Right? This is a 5 by 3 meter per second. So 1 second of 5 by 3 meters is covering. So for 100 meters or for 5 by 3 meters 1 second. 5 by 3 meter per second. So we can make this sentence like this. 5 divided by 3 meters in 1 second. So for 100 meters, how many seconds? 100 into 1 by 5 by 3. 100 into 1 divided by 5 by 3. 5 by 3 we can write 3 by 5. 100 into 1 is 100. 5 by 3 is 3 by 5. So 5 ones are 520 into 3. 60 seconds. Yes. Time taken by 8 to cover 100 meters is 60 seconds. Right? Simple. First we got the speed in meter per second. 5 by 3 meters per second. So for 100 meters 60 seconds. Nothing but A took the time total 60 seconds. Right. Now when you come to the B. So therefore B covers. So here is B covers. B start. A gives B start of 4 meters. Out of 100 meters B should not run 100 because 100 minus 4. So B covers 100 minus 4 or 96 meters in. Still beats him by 12 seconds. So A is done 60 seconds but extra 12 because he beats the B by 12. So 60 plus 12. 60 plus 12 or 72 seconds. So B covers 96 meters in 72 seconds. Then you can find out the speed of the B. Hence the speed only they asked question. Hence, okay, speed of B, that is equals to 96 meters by 72 seconds. Speed is equal to distance by time here. 96 by 72. This is in meters per seconds. To convert into kilometer per hour. Okay, meter per second is 96 by 72. And you can write in meter per second this. So in this many seconds, 96 by 72. You can calculate 3 table. 3 2s are 6. 12. 4s are 12. Again 3 3s are 9. 2. 32 by 24. And 12, this is 16. Still 8. 6. Again 4. 3. So finally 4 by 3 meters per second. So 1 second 4 by 3 meters. Per 1 second 4 by 3 meters. And to convert into kilometer per hour also you can apply. So this is 4 by 3 meter per second is nothing but 4.8 kilometers per second. So conversions I am not telling. We should multiply with 5 by 18 and 18 by 5. 5 by 18, 18 by 5 to convert into meter per seconds to kilometer per hour. Conversion this. So 4 by 3 meter per second is or 4.8 kilometers per hour. This is sorry. So 4.8 kilometers per hour is the speed of the B. Okay, conversions already we have done some other videos. I am not telling now. Let us see a few more sums now. In this problem, A can run a kilometer in 3 minutes 10 seconds. 1 kilometer. So A can run a kilometer. So that is 1000 meters. Okay, the track is 1000 meters. A can run this kilometer in 3 minutes 10 seconds. A can run, and B in 3 minutes 20 seconds. By what distance can A beat B? So A is the fast. So A can beat B, but how much distance, that you have to find out. So to make this problem simple, just we can time taken by A first. So time taken by A, that is equal to 3 minutes 10 seconds. 1 minute is 60 seconds. 3 minutes is 180 plus 10. Okay, 190 seconds. And time taken by B. Time taken by B is 3 minutes 20 seconds. So 200 seconds. Here we can conclude this. A beats B by 10 seconds. Compared to the time, A beats B by 10 seconds. Okay, within 10 seconds A can beat. And now we can make the statement clearly. Distance covered by B in 200 seconds, 1000 meters, right? B, time taken 200 seconds. Let us see the distance. We can make the statement like this here. And distance covered by B. So that only you have to find out. Distance can A beat B. So distance covered by B. This is in 200 seconds, right? In 200 seconds, B can cover same 1000 meters. 1000 meters B can cover. Now same way for 10 seconds, how much? Because A beats B by 10 seconds. So let us see within 10 seconds how much B is far behind, that we can get easily. In 10 seconds dash. So how much you can take? 10 into 1000 by 200. Okay, cross multiplication, 10 into 1000 by 200. And simplify this. 2 zeros, 10, 2 ones are 2, 5, and total 50. So 50 meters, right? 50. So 50 meters distance covered by B in 10 seconds. That means, therefore, in within 10 seconds, by winning of A, B is behind 50 meters. That's why A beats B by 50 meters. Okay, when B is around at 50 meters back, A will come to the position. That meaning, so difference between them is 50 meters when is, and time is 10 seconds. Okay, this is the position here. By what distance can A beat B? A beat B by 50 meters. 50 meters is the distance, right? Let's see a few more in concepts, other sums. So in this problem, A, B, C are the three contestants in a kilometer race. Okay, here is the also distance in this problem. The distance, the race is 1 kilometer, so it's 1000 meters. Okay, you can take 1000 meters. A, B, C are the three contestants in a kilometer race, and two statements are given clearly. If A can give B a start of 40 meters, that means if A cover 1000 meters, B less than 40 less than 1000. The meaning of this, A can give B a start of 40 meters. A can give C a start of 64 meters. So how many meters start can B give C? Okay, let me take the statements clearly. While A covers 1000 meters. Okay, A covers 1000 meters. So while A covers 1000 meters, B covers a start of 40 meters. So 1000 minus 40. 1000 minus 40 is 960 meters. Right? And A covers is 1000 meters according to the problem. And B covers, because A can give B a start of 40 meters. Right? Based on that. And C covers, because A can give C a start of 64 meters. And C covers same 1000 minus 64. 1000 minus 64 is 936. Okay, meters. Right. Now we need to find out how many meters start can B give C. Now when B covers 960 meters, C is covering 936 meters. Right? We'll make the statement. Now we can conclude these two statements. Now when B covers 960 meters, C covers 936 meters. Finally, because A is fixed, so B covers 960 and C covers 936 meters. Now you can write like this. So when B covers 1000 meters, because when B covers 960, B can covers 936. When B covers 1000 meters, then C covers, we can write 936 by 960 into 1000. Same, B covers 960, C covers 936. If B covers 1000, 1000 into 936 by 960. We can calculate this 975 meters. Right, so B can give the difference out of 1000 minus 975. So B can give C a start of same. So what we can write, 1000 minus this 975, that is equals to 25 meters. That is the difference between this. While winning the B, C can be 25 meters behind. Right? Okay, first you can found individually, then we can do like this. Let's have a few more questions. In this problem here, A runs 1 2/3 times as fast as B. Okay, A runs 1 2/3 times as fast as B. If A gives B a start of 80 meters, how far must the winning post be so that A and B might reach it at the same time? Same time they must reach. So how far must winning the post, that you have to find out. So that means the distance, the winning post distance you need to find out. First let us see the races of A and B in the ratio, because A is 1 2/3 times as fast as B. So 1 2/3, mixed fraction convert into improper, you want the 3 plus 2, 5/3. So 5/3 is nothing but 5:3, right? So the races of A and B are in the ratio. So the races of A and B are as, so according to this, are as 5:3. That means in a race of 5 meters, A gains 2 meters over the B. That's the thing according to 5:3, because A runs 1 2/3 times as fast as the B. Okay, so that is, you can write the statement clearly like this. So in a race of 5 meters, okay, statement I am writing clearly to understand. So in a race of 5 meters, A gains 2 meters, because 5 minus 3 is 2. So 2 meters over B. Okay, A is taking 5 meters, means B can go only 3 meters. That's why A gains 2 meters over the B in 5 meters race. If it is in 5 meter race, A gains 2 meters over B. So 2 meters are gained by A in the race of 5 meters. Reverse also you can write the same statement. Okay, 2 meters. So total B start of 80 meters. So now 2 meters are gained by A in a race of 5 meters. Same statement, in a race of 5 meters. 2 meters are gained by A in a race of 5 meters. then 80 meters will be gained by A, because A gives B a start of 80 meters. Okay, from this 80 meters are gained by A in a race of dash meters, let be X. Then that is nothing but same 80 into 5 cross multiplication, 80 into 5 by 2. 80 into 5, 400 by 2 is 200 meters. Okay. Because A gives B a start of 80 meters, but they are reached at the same time, right? That's why 2 meters are gained by A in race of 5 meters and 80 meters are gained by A in a race of 200 meters. So the winning post is ordered A by same time they are reaching means how far must be is 200 meters far. Okay, there is a difference. So winning post is 200 meters away from the starting point. That's the thing. Let's have one more. Okay, let us see one more last problem to understand more clear. In a kilometer race, A beats B by 35 meters or in 7 seconds. Both are given here. So the race distance is same 1000 meters, right? You can see the problem very clearly. In a kilometer race, A beats B by 35 meters or 7 seconds. So here is B runs 35 meters in 7 seconds. That means, right here, because A beats B by 35 meters, same A beats B by in 7 seconds. So we can conclude here B runs. So B runs this 35 meters in 7 seconds, because A only beats B by 35 meters or A beats B by 7 seconds, both sentence. That means B runs 35 meters in 7 seconds. So B's time over the course, complete course means for 1000 meters how many seconds? Okay, now B runs 1000 meters. Okay, you can take this 1000 meters in dash seconds. So let X seconds. Now you can find out this X value. How much you'll get? Same 1000 into 7 by 35. 1000 into 7 by 35 is 200 seconds. Okay, 7 ones are 7, 5. 1000 by 5 is 200 seconds. So A's time over the course 7 seconds less, because A beats B by 7 seconds. So we can write A's time over the course. Over the course means 1000 meters running race over the course. That is equals to 200 minus 7. 200 minus 7 is 193 seconds. That is 3 minutes. 3 minutes is 180 seconds plus 13. Right? 3 meters 13 seconds is the A's time over the course. There's a difference, right? And similar problems and some other topics also available in our channel. You can go through, and this is one interesting topic from this quantitative aptitude also.